Hello, everybody. Welcome to Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, Jambo House. Taking a look at beautiful nature from a Savannah View room. Hey, look, a giraffe. Now we'll take a look at inside the room. We're going to switch to some pictures. I think the giraffe must have eaten the video or something. Going to show you a standard room today. 2 queen beds. Dresser, table with 2 chairs, nightstand, full-length mirror, flat panel HD TV, mini fridge, coffee maker, ironing board with iron, hair dryer, digital thermostat, in-room safe, and a shower-mounted shampoo, conditioner, and body wash dispenser. Taking a look at the room. Those 2 big, beautiful queen-size beds. Nightstand with phone, no alarm clock. A little bit of storage. The hallway where the mini fridge and the closet is. Look at this really nice artwork. Like it was chiseled out of a cave. In the bathroom, plenty of counter space with the 2 bathrooms. Good lighting. Some storage underneath as well. Plenty of towels, more shelving. Nice big shower. You could fit a couple people in there. That's a nice shower. Back on the balcony where you can sit and stare at the animals and relax. Thank you for watching. Check out touringplans.com for tips on how to save time and money in Walt Disney World and our channel for more Walt Disney World content.